Hi everyone, I'm Aish. I have been very intentional with this purchase. I've actually been testing out Dior Addict samples for almost 2 weeks now to make sure they were absolutely perfect for me.
After living with the scents, I finally went back and picked out the full sizes last week. Today we are unboxing the stunning Vous Adore Valentine's packaging and seeing how they fit in my Polene bag. Let's dive in. The packaging this year is a dream. It's covered in this beautiful Vous Adore script with the most delicate pink hearts. It really feels like a love letter from Dior. I decided on the 30 ml bottles because they're like little treasures hidden inside. Since I tested the samples for 2 weeks, I knew these were the right investment.
First is Rosy Glue. After 2 weeks of wear, this became my clear favorite for daytime. It's very luminous.
It features damascene rose and bergamot. It stays fresh and clean on my skin all day, which is exactly what I was looking for. I love this size. They look like tiny glass jewels. It's about having the best quality in a size that actually fits your lifestyle.
Next is Purple Glow for the evenings.
This one is sophisticated and powdery with beautiful notes of iris and raspberry. It's the perfect quiet luxury scent for evening. And it slides into my Mokki Mini without adding any bulk, so I can take this elegance with me anywhere. Now for the gifts. My extras are 10 on 10. But the highlight was the Dior manager giving my husband a birthday gift. That personal connection is why I love this counter here in Gothenburg.
so glad I took those 2 weeks to test the samples first. No buyer's remorse here, just pure glow. Which one are you? Pink or purple? Let's chat in the comments. And I'll see you in the next one.